Well, hello, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Another power bank video, and what we have for you today is an Anker product. As you know, I'm torn between Anker and Ugreen products. I bought a lot of Ugreen products in the past, adapters and all sorts. And I am now getting into their power bank range and comparing them. We looked at the Anker, so I'm swapping back and forth between Anker and Ugreen because I want to try and stick to one particular product range. We got this Anker product last week and we did a quick review on it, and it's the high-powered multi-device charger with the built-in cables, retractable cable at the top and a side one that comes as the braided cable as a handle. It's 165 watt and it is 25k, so that was a great product, worked very well. We looked at the Ugreen product and now I want to look at the smaller Anker one. I'm trying to go for the smallest, cheapest power bank that will actually also charge the laptop, and that's not easy because it's trying to get the right specification and not going too cheap on products. So let's have a look at this Anker and see if it is good as its big brother there. So this is the model number of this is the A1383 Anker power bank, 20k, so that's a 2000 milliamp, 87 watt with a built-in USB-C cable. Now my understanding is that out of one particular port you will get 65 watt, so it'll be interesting to test that out. So without further ado, there's nothing else really on the box that's worth 18-month hassle-free warranty. Yeah, so without further ado, let's open this up and see what we get. So that's the Anker there. As per the last Anker product, you have a safety sheet here, but for the user guide and the manual, you just click on the QR code there and it gives quite a detailed manual, I have to say. I have no issues with that because most of the user manuals that you get with Anker these days, I have to photograph anyway to read them because the writing is far too small. So, just open this up. Right, first of all, it feels very nice, I have to say, and it's actually not that heavy at all. Very light, it's like a normal power bank that you just use for a phone. Small, neat and tidy. Probably the same size as my phone, really. You have a nice screen up the top, power button here, gives you the percentage. This one obviously needs to be charged. You have a standard port there out, and you have a USB-C with in-out port. So you have one retractable cable here. There is no strap for carrying it or anything like that, but that's fine because it's very small, neat and tidy, and there's decent grip on it as well. So before I do anything, when there's a bit of charge in it, I just want to see whether it's capable of charging one of the ThinkPads. So let's have a quick look, and that's the most important thing from my point of view. And yes, it's charging away. I'm delighted with that. Didn't think it was going to do it. This actually comes in at about a third of the price, or slightly over a third of the price, compared to its big brother. So I'll have to double check the price on it, but I seem to think, yeah, it was probably about 40% of the price or whatever. So very reasonably priced actually on Amazon at the moment, and I'll put a link for this product down below. As with other videos, what I will do is I will read the instructions thoroughly on this and play around with it and see, and then come back to you with a user experience after I've used it for a good period of time and charged it up and charged other devices up and done a comparison compared to the other power banks that we have. So it's the 87W Anker power bank, one built-in cable USB-C, neatly tucks in there, which is very handy, normal USB and another USB-C, and it has no problem in charging the laptop. So I'm delighted with that. So I'll come back to you in the next few days, hopefully, and we shall do a proper review of the product. Thank you very much for tuning in, and if this has been helpful, please hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you think be interested in watching some more. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.